170 got slick.
Let's go.
Right there. I could have run the 170.
Come on. Come on.
You got one seat in there.
Hey, man, the Z06 is twice the power.
I'm on 26s.
Hey, Donkmaster, you scared, man.
Everybody scared?
And let it mess with me. I'll jump on them. All 93 pounds of pure dynamite.
That's your daddy.
Ain't no sense in me pushing. I'm gonna race save with this one.
You gonna race with this?
Yeah, I'm gonna race. We just got on video. He said it's too fast. Got a hard top.
I got street time. The people sending that the same shit.
Nah, Bob.
Yeah, the same shit.
No, stop it, man.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
I don't want to run this. Look, what
I run the Z with the D170.
Give me the hit.
You run the black goes, give him the hit.
Okay, I'll give him the hit with the black.
Man, Daddy, we're not doing this. That's what I said. Dude, that's not the same kind of car. What you mean? You got slicks on this car.
Let's race me in the black.
That's real.
Let's race me in the black.
You in the black. You in the black. You black at it.
Come on, boy.
You run this one? So you run this one? Hey, work over that damn 170.
That ain't no easy way.
Work for it.
That ain't no easy way.
We run the quarter of the 8. What are we gonna do?
We run the 8.
We run the quarter.
No,
we run the quarter with the 170.
Okay, we can run the quarter with
the 170. With the 170.
Where you go?
It's not the same kind of car.
It's the same kind of car.
You got this shit is just like mine over there.
No. The Ghost is like yours.
No,
yours is the Turbo.
I'm on 26.
For 4 years, I've been coming out here putting 24s on.
You had that on.
And no. No, I'm not putting 24s on no more. His car is just as fast.
I ran you on 24. It ran out your life.
4 years. Yeah. I've been racing you on 24. I beat him once on 24.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna race me the way I race.
The 170 got slick.
Let's go.
Right there. I could have run the 170.
Come on.
You got one seat in there.
Hey, man, the Z06 is twice the power.
I'm on 26s.
Hey, Donkmaster, you scared, man.
Everybody scared.
You scared. That's your daddy.
He wants something soft.
He wants something soft like them waves in his head.
You got a $250,000 car over there. Run that $250,000 car.
You got a $250,000 car.
Okay.
Hey, what y'all want to see? Y'all want to see the black Ghost? Yeah. Y'all want to see the 170?
The black Ghost. We want to see that black Ghost.
Every year,
Yeah.
what car have we raced? The Soul Snap.
Y'all race the Soul Snap.
Wait a minute. It is here. Read the hood on that.
That's blue.
What's it say on the hood?
Soul Snap.
It does say the Soul Snap.
Exactly.
What's the problem?
He's scared. Yeah, he's scared.
Because that's an all-stop car. And it's down on power compared to the mighty Z06.
That ain't nothing. I'm on 26.
I don't care if you're on 30. The Z06 is a beast.
I ain't gonna cut that. I won't cut that.
Hey.
All right. They are now conferring with one another.
Ain't no sense in me pushing it. I'm gonna race Sage with this one.
You gonna race him in this?
Yeah, I'm gonna race him. He won't race the Black Ghost anyway. No.
You asked him today?
Yeah, I bet we just got it on video. He said it's too fast. He wanna race. He wanna race this. But that car is fast. We'll see. I know.
Yeah, at some point, there's got to be some give on his end. Because the past 3 of them, you've always had to race something else.
I know. But I'm still.
Everybody here want to see the fast one. All
Well,
you did was roll race it.
Well, maybe we'll stagger the tree or something. I'll figure out something. Okay, so I'm finna run this. I'm still one up on him. I think what he's trying to do is beat me so we evened up. I already told him I gave him the hit, but he said he won't take it. You see, he's scared to race me in my other race car.
Yeah, that's what he told me.
Yeah.
Told me too fast.
Yeah.
He already know.
It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna do it. Where he at? Tell him to come on.
All right, heads.
Yeah, there you go. Shine the light. Let's see the head.
Pro Tree quarter mile.
Pro Tree, quarter line. Demonology. Donkmaster.
I told him I gave him the hit in the Black Ghost. And he said, hell no. Hey. I do want to get his ass with that Black Ghost though. Because that Black Ghost will put a hurting on him. Blurs,
Because I do got a set of 17-inch slick in the trailer.
Go put them 17-inch slicks.
I don't want to work no more.
It's the way. I'm saying that is going to be right down the way. From Texas Motorsports. The iconic. Oh, by the way. The Soul Snatcher. We want to make sure that we see some stuff. Talk to me.
Now, not that the car is too big to keep no heat,
What we both are made for. Smoky, dopey burnouts, baby. Look at that.
Look at that black man. You see that black man? Look at that. Look. Let me one more time. Let me see. This is a real Black Ghost right here. Let me show you the real one. Look. That's good Lord. Look at the real Black Ghost. You want to see the real Black Ghost? Look at it. Look. You can't see it. You can't real Black Ghost. You can't even see it. You can't even see it. Hey, man. Oh, that's good, Rick. So next time, tell you two don't mess with that one. Hey, so now we even to even. Yeah, but tell you two don't mess with this one. Next time, next time we race. I'll put slicks on. No, I'll put slicks on. But then you put slicks on, you race my real race. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what it is. Hey, y'all heard him. And I'm a blister. I'm putting slicks on. Hey, y'all heard him? Yeah, I'm putting slicks on. You ain't gonna blister nobody. I'm a blister you. You gonna get blistered. Huh? Let me see your head. Let me see how many knots I put in your head. Let me see how many knots I put in your head. Hey, we evened up. Hey, we evened up. So that's 3-3. So that's 3-3. So next time put slicks on. Next time put slicks on. And then you run the little dudes. The little dudes. Because I got the real Black.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.